The phrasal verb give up means to stop trying or to quit doing something. It is used when someone decides to stop an activity, especially if it is difficult or harmful. Here are some examples of give up in use. I gave up smoking last year. She gave up trying to fix the car. These sentences show stopping a habit or an effort. Synonyms for give up include quit, stop, abandon, surrender, relinquish, and yield. These words have similar meanings and can be used to talk about stopping or giving something away. More examples of give up are used to show giving up hope or giving up something valuable. For example, don't give up on your dreams. He gave up his seat to an elderly lady. In everyday English, give up means to never stop hoping or trying. They never gave up hope. I gave up all my free time to study. These show dedication and persistence. Give up can mean to quit a bad habit, to stop trying, to sacrifice time or things, or to admit defeat. For example, give up smoking, give up trying, give up your seat, or say I give up when you cannot continue. Antonyms or opposite words for give up include persist, continue, persevere, endure, carry on, and hold on. These words encourage you to keep going and not give up. One-word synonyms for give up include quit, surrender, abandon, renounce, relinquish, sacrifice, stop, forsake, and resign. These are useful words to know and use when you want to express giving up.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.